Hey everyone, my name is Carly Dunbar. I'm an adjunct professor of dance at Belhaven as well as a dance instructor here at Power APAC Arts Magnet School here in Jackson. I'm so excited that you're participating in Community Dance Concert this year and extra excited that your group is interested in being a part of our National Dance Day dance that we're all going to be able to do together. Now, if you haven't watched the tutorial that was put out by National Dance Day Council that was choreographed by Master Stefanina, make sure you check that out because most of the moves that we're going to be doing in our version are totally based off of that version. He explains all the steps really well, and I'll be referencing that in our tutorial. Let's try it together. Our version of the dance is going to be done to the song Different Drum by the artist Blanca. It's got a strong message about not being afraid to be different and unique, and I'm excited to do it all together. We'll begin at the top just like the Matt Stefanina version, yes, with feet together, yeah, and the verse will go like this. You'll come up, and just like we did before, it goes 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Foot goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this is the first time it gets different than the Matt Stefanina choreography. You're going to jump straight to jumping forward and doing this punch back like he does in the choreography. You're going to turn around and you're going to clap just like they do in the choreography. From there, that's where our chorus starts, yes? So our chorus is going to start with marching. Blanca says, we're going to march to a beat of a different drum. We're going to march 8 times, turn our head forward, then to the right, then to the left, then forward. It'll look like this. You'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, you're going to step over to the right and go kick and back, kick and back, kick and back, kick and back. From here, it goes straight back into some of the Stefanina choreography. You'll reach your arm up and over. You'll recognize this. Up and over, down, hit, hit, up and over, hit, hit. From there, you again go punch and back, turn and clap, step to the side, do the body roll. 1, 2, 3, hit. Yes? All right, from there, the chorus is going to repeat again. And we just do it over again, starting with the marches. 5, 6, 7, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Ready for up and over. Up and over. Hit, hit, up and over, hit, hit, punch, back, turn, clap, body roll, hit. Nice. So again, that's the verse and the chorus. That's going to repeat over and over again, particularly the chorus, many times. And we'll just do those moves over and over again. Now, there's a section where we're going to have a freestyle part. Yep, you can do whatever moves you want. We go freestyle fast. And then you're going to see in the music where it breaks down to freestyle slow motion, yeah? Going really slow. After that, we're going to freestyle low. Yeah, again, however you want. And then we'll freestyle up high. She's going to say, oh, 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 yeah. You'll drop your head down and your feet out. You'll hear the music rev that up. We come back in and we do the chorus again. Yes? All right. Let me show you what it looks like with the music, and I think it'll all make sense. You'll see where it goes verse, chorus, verse, chorus. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8.
We are the colors outside of the lines, and we paint a picture so one of a kind. Attention, we call attention. Our mission, we direct attention. So let's break them all, go off the wall, be in the world but not of it. Against the grain, let's hope the same. We're walking out with love.
Jump out. Chorus. So there you have it, our community dance concert version of the National Dance Day dance to Blanca's Different Drum. I'm so excited to be with you guys on the day of the concert to put it all together. Keep in mind that you won't be doing the entire dance the whole time. Between verses and choruses, we'll have groups coming on and off stage, finding new spots to make sure everyone gets seen and everyone has space. If you find that maybe the verse is a bit challenging and the chorus is definitely doable for you, that is just fine. Yep, we'll find a place for you in the chorus, during the freestyle. Don't worry about having all the moves perfectly. This is all about coming together and being one as a dance community and having a good time together. I look forward to seeing you on September 21st and can't wait to dance with you. See ya!